Welcome to English for Everyone, a complete review of Beginner 1, Part 1. Action am is are. With person, I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. We use action am is are with person. I am a teacher. For profession, is necessary for one. I am a teacher. I am a father. Description. He is very busy. She is happy. For location, you are at home. The kids are in school. For years or age, I am 48. Lisa is 39. For time, what time is it? It is 3 o'clock. The class is at 8. The party is tomorrow. With our action, I am, you can make contraction. I am together, I'm. I'm. He is together, he's. Or she is, she's. Or it is, it's. Contraction with are. You are together, you're. We are together, we're. They are together, they're. And for a negative with actions, we use not. I'm not. He's not. You're not. We use them for profession. I'm not a doctor. I'm a teacher. For description, she's not angry. She's happy. For location, you are not in the class. You are at home. They're at school. They're not at home. Age, I'm not 39. I'm 48. For time, it is it's. It's not 3 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. We're making questions. Questions with our action is and are. To make a question, we switch. Positive, he is. Question, switch. Is he? She is. Switch. Is she? Question. Positive, it is. Question, switch. Is it? You are. Question, switch. Are you? For we are. Switch. Are we? Question. They are. Switch. Are they? So to make a question, switch the person and the action. Let's practice. Is she a doctor?
No, she's not a doctor.
Is she a teacher?
Yes, she's a teacher.
Very good. Question. Is she a doctor? Respond. Is she a teacher? Respond. Very good. For person, we use action is and are. For description, we use action is and are. Question. Is she angry?
No, she's not angry.
Very good. Is she happy?
Yes, she's happy.
Very good. Is she angry? Respond. Is she happy? Respond. Very good. We use it for location. The kids are at home. The kids are at school. I make a question. The kids are, switch. Are the kids in school? Are the kids in school?
No, they aren't in school. They're at home right now.
Very good. Are the kids in school? Respond. Where are they? Respond. Very good. For years, she is, question, is she? Is she 39 or is she 50?
She's 39.
Very good. So question, is she? Is she 39 or is she 50? Respond. Very good. For time, we use substitution it. It is. Question switch. Is it? Question. What time is it? What time is it?
It's 3 p.m.
Very good. What time is it? Respond. Very good. So remember, to make a question, you switch the person and the action. We use this for person, profession, description, location, age or years, and time. We use actions. Am, is, and are with action in continuous form. Action, work. Continuous, working. I am working. He is working. She is working. It is working. Person, you are working. We are working, and they are working. Remember, am is an are with a continuous action. Ing, working. We use question, we switch with a continuous action. So the order, positive he is, question switch, is he. Is he working today? Is he working today?
Yes, he's working today.
Very good. She is, switch, is she with continuous action. Is she studying?
Yes, she's studying.
Very good. Is he working? Respond. Very good. Is she studying? Respond. Very good. Also with it. It is. Question switch. Is it? Is it raining today?
Yes, it's raining today.
Very good. Is it raining today? Respond. Very good. Question with are. You are. Switch. Are you? Are you working today?
Yes, I'm working today.
Very good. Are you working today? Respond. Very good. We are. Question switch. Are we? Are we going out tonight?
Yes, we're going out tonight.
Very good. Are we going out tonight? Respond. Very good. For they are, make a question and switch. Are they working today?
Yes, they are working today.
Very good. Are they working today? Respond. Very good. So remember, to use a continuous action, make a question and switch. When we make questions with a question word, what, where, when, why, the order is important. First, question word, what? And then we switch. What is he doing? What is she doing? Question, what is he doing?
He's working.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Where? Where is she going?
She's going to the store.
Very good. Where is she going? Respond. Very good. Question, when? When are you going to the store? When are you going to the store?
I'm going to the store tonight.
Very good. When are you going to the store? Respond. Very good. Why? Why are they cleaning? Why are they cleaning?
They are cleaning because the house is messy.
Very good. Question, why are they cleaning? Respond. Very good. We use our continuous action, ing, example, working, with am, I am working, for actions in the moment, right now, and for near future plans. We use it with now, I am working now. Today, I am working today. In the future, near future, tonight. I am working tonight. Are you cleaning the house tonight? Respond. Very good. Tomorrow, near future. Are you cleaning the house tonight or tomorrow? Respond. Very good. This week, this month, next week, next month. We use the continuous action. Are you working this week? Respond. Very good. I'm not working next week. Are you working next week? Respond. Very good. So we use our action, he is, for person, for description or emotion, for location, for age, years, and for time, and most importantly, for continuous action. Let's practice with he is. I make a question, I switch. Is he? Is he a manager?
Yes, he is a manager.
Very good. Is he a manager? Respond. Very good. Description. Is he busy?
Yes, he's busy.
Very good. Is he busy? Respond. Very good. For location. Where is he?
He's at work.
Very good. Where is he? Respond. Very good. For years. How old is he?
He's 39.
Very good. How old is he? Respond. Very good. For time. Is it time for lunch?
Yes, it's time for lunch.
Very good. Is it time for lunch? Respond. Very good. And the continuous action. Continuous action, question, doing. What is he doing?
He's working now.
Very good. What is he doing? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. We use person. She is. She is a mother. Make a question, switch. Is she a mother?
Yes, she's a mother.
Very good. Is she a mother? Respond. Very good. For description, busy. Is she busy?
Yes, she's busy.
Very good. Is she busy? Respond. Very good. For location, they are. I switch. Are they? Where are they?
They're at home.
Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. Are they in the kitchen?
Yes, they're in the kitchen.
Very good. Are they in the kitchen? Respond. Very good. For years, age. How old is she?
She's 39.
Very good. And how old is she?
She's 10.
Very good. How old is she? Respond. And how old is she? Respond. Very good. For time. For time, we say it is. Question switch. Is it? Is it time for lunch?
Yes, it's time for lunch.
Very good. Is it time for lunch? Respond. Very good. And for continuous action. Question for activity, doing. What are they doing?
They're cooking.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. What are they making?
They're making pasta.
Very good. What are they making? Respond. Very good. Is she cooking?
Yes, she's cooking.
Is she cooking? Respond. Very good. What is she doing?
She's watching.
Very good. What is she doing? Respond. Very good. Is she helping the mother?
Yes, she's helping the mother.
Very good. Is she helping the mother? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. We use action. I am, you are, she is, he is, they are, and we are for person. Is she a boy or a girl?
She's a girl.
Very good. Is she a boy or a girl? Respond. Very good. Is he a boy or a girl?
He's a boy.
Very good. Is he a boy or a girl? Respond. Very good. They are construction workers. Question, are they? Are they construction workers?
Yes, they are construction workers.
Very good. Are they construction workers? Respond. Very good. For description, busy. Are they busy?
Yes, they're busy.
Are they busy? Respond. Very good. Heavy. It is. Switch. Is it? Is it heavy?
Yes, it's heavy.
Very good. Is it heavy? Respond. Very good. For location, where are they?
They're at work.
Very good. Where are they? Respond. Very good. For years, age, how old is she?
She's 25.
Very good. And how old is he?
He's 29.
Very good. How old is she? Respond. Very good. How old is he? Respond. Very good. For time, it is, make a question, switch. Is it time for lunch?
No, it's not time for lunch. They're working.
Very good. Is it time for lunch? Respond. Very good. Continuous action. What are they doing?
They are working now.
Very good. What are they doing? Respond. Very good. Let's practice. We are. We are. Lisa and I, we. For person, we are teachers. Make a question. We are, switch. Are we teachers?
Yes, we're teachers.
Very good. Description, happy. Are we happy?
Yes, we're happy.
Very good. For location, where are we?
We are at work.
Very good. For years, how old are we?
We're 39 and 48.
Very good. For continuous action, what are we doing today?
We are working today.
Very good. We are working today. Thank you for watching.